Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and hit the subscribe button right now so that you will not miss any of my insightful videos. Or if you are watching me on LinkedIn or Instagram, don't forget to follow me for such more content. Yeah. Today we are in the day 4 of pronunciation series. What we are going to learn. I am super excited. Today we are going to learn the voice versus voiceless sounds. What are voiced and voiceless sounds? Let's learn voiced versus voiceless sounds today. Consonants. Okay. The consonant first one is S. S sounds as in S. S as in, repeat after me, sit, 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 sit down. S as in stop, stop, stop. Z, we have Z as in zebra. Repeat after me, zebra, zebra, zebra. Z as in zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. That's all for the day. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video. And I'll see you in the next video tomorrow in the day 5. That's surprise. We are going to learn something new tomorrow. I am super excited, by the way. I hope you are too. Let me know in the comments. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Happy learning.